The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook. Hello, my crafty creators. I'm just gonna do a short video, okay? Very short video. I did this on my live. Back up. I'm Felicia with the Crafting Nook. Welcome to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please take a moment and subscribe. I do have a lot of people that are watching me that aren't subscribers. So if you like the content, I mean, why not subscribe? You also can become a member by clicking the link that's in the description. And so I'll go on. All right. So I use this new silicone kit. It's Startso World. That's who it's made by, Startso World. Let's see, can you see that? Okay. Bring it up close. Startso World. All right. This resin is a 1-to-1 ratio. No toxic, no odor, bubble free, and a 40-minute work time. All right. So we built this last night in the live. This was just a regular little sandwich box, and we just cut the bottom out. All right. So now I'm gonna try to take it off, and I've got to use some elbow action, y'all. So that's why you're not seeing me take it apart right this second. Okay. It is a lot. Ooh, honey child. Ooh, this thing is crucial. Okay. It's crucial. I'm having to use both hands and like try to tear the back off and all kind of stuff. Oh, gee whiz. Like, I don't even know where to start. All of this that I'm doing right now. Ooh, honey, I better let you see what I'm going through. Let you see what I'm going through, honey. Because it is a lot. So I took and glued my edges so that my edges would actually stay put. Oh, this is going to be a mess. Oh, okay. I'm trying to get somewhere, y'all. I'm trying. All right, I'm really trying. Oh my gracious. Bear with me. Bear with me, my child. Bear with me. I see it. Because I do want to end up using this, although it was only $1, I do want to use it again, okay? Where I use the little, what do you call this thing? From the sandwich box. It was only $1, but I want to try to get some more usage out of it, okay? Oh, y'all see that? Oh, y'all see that? Oh, y'all see that? Oh, yes, I'm happy. Oh, just gotta dig down in there. And what I did was took one of my kintsugi coasters that I made. It's not a real one. I made it using a pen. And I said, from the point that when I made it, I was like, okay, I know that I'm going to want to make a mold out of it. So y'all are seeing and witnessing what I'm going to be doing. Ooh, honey. Ooh, child. You got to get bits and bits and bits. Little bits, little bits, little bits by little bits. Oh, gracious. Like, if y'all didn't see this happening, okay, this is why I want you to see what's going on so that you will know. All right. I think one of my subscribers told me to add a little glue on this, and looks like it's gonna be the devil to get off. Okay. It's cool today, y'all. I turned my air conditioner off, like all the way off. Okay. Okay. I'm pretty sure there are people that won't show you, you know, the whole process of going through trying to get the get it loose. So why not show you, you know, show you what you got to look forward to. This probably wouldn't have been so difficult had I put a piece of plastic down. Let's remove some of this. Remove, remove, remove. Okay. I've been wanting to tell y'all, and for some reason I forget every time, that I want you to check a channel out, y'all. Seriously. There's this lady. I've been watching her for a very long time. But what she does now, I really can't keep up. Okay? I really can't keep up with what she's got going on. Wait a minute. Let me talk to my husband for a second. Okay, I'm back. You know, when you got to talk to the hubby for a minute, you have to talk to him for a minute now. But while I was talking to him, I was still taking my little pieces and, you know, getting the glue parts off and all of that kind of stuff. Now, I still yet have to, like, get everything off. But I'm gonna... Oh, this part is easy. Voila. Look at that. That was easy. And I'm gonna trim my little pieces off. Okay. Trim it off. It'll be nice. Now, when I done this, I kind of just plopped it in there and didn't center it, which is okay. I don't have a problem with it. Oh, for the reveal. For the reveal. Okay. I'm not mad at it. The only thing that I don't like, y'all, is that from the foil, well, it looks like it can wipe out. It did good, y'all. It did really good. So I have myself a kintsugi mold. Okay. So I'm looking around at what my original piece. Okay. Just looking around because I thought that this one would be just fine. And I think it is. But I do see some, like, holes there. So I'm trying to see where exactly are these holes. Okay, that's it right there. So right here, but there's no holes there. It's not a hole there at all. Like it's got a pinhole, as if the as if it didn't smooth itself out there. The rest of it is nice. It's nice, y'all. I can't wait to use it now. Before I take and try to clean it, I want to go ahead and clean it. I really do. It's pouring down, raining outside. Oh gosh. Like, I want to just take some water and clean it, but I don't know whether that's a good idea or not. Yeah, those little those little places is gonna be in there like that. So I gotta do it again. I gotta do it again. And I'm trying to see, like, once it's clean, will that come out from the foil? I got handprints all in this thing right now, y'all, so never mind it. Okay, never mind it. But it's nice. It really is nice. Where I rubbed, trying to see would that foil stuff come out of there, which it doesn't. My handprints are all on this too. So I mean, it came out good, y'all. I'm gonna try it again, but it's heavy duty. Okay, it's very heavy duty. It's thick. It's nice. It's nice. Like, I want to order some more. And Miss Johnny, she gave me a set from off of my Amazon wish list. Okay, so this is cool, man. I really can't get over it. But anyway, this is gonna wrap this video up. Yeah, I think if you were to do this, at least have your foil covered. Okay, because you know, if you do anything, it's gonna come in that mold that you created, that you've done. So just make sure that you just take it, you know, and make sure that it's the one that you want the exact copy of. I wasn't thinking about the foil. I was kind of scared about the foil, but I wanted this exact copy because of all of those indentions there. So I will be trying it again. Trust me, I will be trying it again. So I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.